Hey everyone, it's Alison Heikkila. Thank you so much for joining me. I am doing an unboxing today because I recently placed an order with Joggles and I thought it would be fun to not only show you what I got, but tell you a little bit about Joggles too in case you haven't heard of them. So they're like a mixed media wonderland online store. They have so many amazing products that are perfect for folks like me that love to do mixed media. But also, if you don't do mixed media, there's plenty of things for you there too. If you need Tim Holtz products, they've got them. All in Create, Paper Artsy, Ciao Bella. There's a whole host of companies that they have on their website. But what's really cool is that they also collaborate with artists and they have their own lines on Joggles. So folks like Elizabeth St. Hilaire, who I totally admire and love. She's amazing. She's got her own collection of stencils and stamps. In fact, I've got some stamps in the box that I'm going to open with you today. Kat Kerr, Balzer Designs. There's a few others, and now I'm forgetting who they are. But oh, Art by Marlene. I know a few of my friends really like her work too. But you can get all of these products all on Joggles. And there's always sales going on. It seems like whenever I head over to that website, they have great prices. And again, the selection is fantastic. And it's a small woman-owned business, which is really important to me. So I am going to show you what's inside my box. I'm really excited. And let's take a look. Here is my box. You can see I haven't opened it yet. Let us take a look at what is inside. I'm so excited. Okay. Got some fancy tissue paper in here that we can totally use for collage or decoupaging. Okay. Like, this paper is so fun. Oh my gosh. More paper. Okay. Let's see. So I needed to get some more blending solution. So had to get that. It was on sale too. I got Flannel alcohol ink because, first of all, it was on sale, and also I didn't have a gray alcohol ink. I have mushroom, but that's really more of a brown, so I really wanted to get a gray alcohol ink, so this color is perfect. Fun little tag. Okay, so here is one of the stamps I got that was designed by Elizabeth St. Hilaire. Let's see, is the name on here? This is called Spiral Bloom. Isn't that fabulous? I love using foam stamps on not just like paper projects, but I use them on home decor and whatnot. Did you ever get those wooden boxes from IKEA that have like the drawers in them? I have, like, no joke, like 7 or 8 of them in the house, maybe more. Anyway, I usually paint them all and I decorate them with different images from foam stamps. So this one is super cool. And I'm going to definitely use it on lots of things, including my gel press. Another stamp that we have, I should just move this box out of the way, right? Let's move the box. This is another large stamp from Elizabeth St. Hilaire. You could see the size of it with my hand. Let me take it out. There's quite a reflection. This is called Twisting Gold. Look at that. Oh, isn't that so cool? It's nice and thick. Perfect for working on a gel press, perfect for, like I said, home decor. You can just stamp this directly on your card bases or scrapbook pages. You do want to make sure that if you're using acrylic paint that you wash this off before the paint dries, because then this will get all hard. But I'm telling you, working with foam stamps, if you haven't before, they are so much fun to use. And I love how these work together. I just think that they're fantastic together. Okay, then I have... This is the initial reason why I placed my order. Look at these stamps. These are more stamps from Elizabeth St. Hilaire. These are called the Mini Marks Medley. There's 21 in here. And I got them at a ridiculous price. Let me see. Let me check my sheet here. I got them for $13.56 for all of these stamps. These are great for mark making or creating like tangram designs with, or just having fun with. I really love them, and this was the reason that I really wanted to place my order, because I was super excited about them. I think they're about 1 inch each one is about an inch. If you look at the actual stamp size, not the whole piece, but the stamp itself. Yeah, it's about an inch. But they are so fun. And I'm not a doodler. I really struggle with doodling. And this is like the perfect solution for me because I don't need to doodle. I can just add one of these cool scribbles and you know, star designs. There's a leaf in here, these X's. It's super cool. So I love this. I'm super excited about it. And again, it's foam, so I can use it on all sorts of things. Okay, in addition, now you guys know that I love to use my gel plate, and I really like to put them on acrylic so that I can move them around, especially if I have a print that needs time to dry. So I decided, because I usually use, if I'm working with my 8x10 plate, I use 2 small plates to make a big one. But that's not great because I often like to work with 2 plates at a time. I'm making a mess, you guys, all over my desk. So I bought myself this big honking piece of acrylic. This is a 9x12 acrylic block. Joggles makes these specifically for folks like me that want a big piece of acrylic. They come in a ton of sizes. I have their 8x8, and it is fantastic. It's nice and thick. And this is going to hold my gel press perfectly so that I can move it around. I can flip it over if I need to. And I still have extra pieces of acrylic that I can use for my other plates if I want to. So that's what I got from Joggles. I am really excited. I cannot wait to start using these stamps. They're fantastic. And if you haven't shopped with Joggles before, or even just checked out their website, I really, really recommend you do so. And if you want to see them in action, they have their own Instagram. They have a YouTube channel. The owner, Barb, is often on Elizabeth St. Hilaire's channel. You can see them working on things together. They have a lovely dynamic, and they come up with such great ideas. And like I said, I really just wanted to promote a small woman-owned business that has such amazing products that some you can find in other places, but some are exclusive to them. So I hope that you'll check them out. I will have all of the products that I purchased listed in the description box below, of course, with the link directly to Joggles. So yeah, I hope you'll check them out, and I hope you'll come back and see what I make with all of these fun products. So thanks so much for hanging out with me. I'll be back real soon with another video. Be well, stay safe. Peace out.